Today's video is an intense power yoga workout specially designed to improve your strength, improve muscle building and for weight loss. So don't go anywhere, we're going to start it now. Namaste friends, my name is Vijita Tomar and I am a fitness trainer and a yoga coach. Welcome back to Pinaki Yoga. So आप में से बहुत सारे लोगों ने एक intense yoga program की डिमांड की थी for your fat loss and weight loss. So here I am providing you an intense power yoga workout today. So friends, मैंने इस पूरे वर्कआउट को डाउनवर्ड डॉग पोस्चर के सराउंडिंग ही डिज़ाइन किया है. सो यस, आई अग्री कि एट इनिशियल लेवल, एट बिगनर लेवल आपके पोस्चर्स मे बी परफेक्ट ना हो. सो प्लीज़ डोंट कंपेयर योर पोस्चर्स विद मी. आपको सिर्फ अपनी लिमिट के अकॉर्डिंग काम करना है. जैसे कि अगर मैं आपको बोलती हूँ डाउनवर्ड डॉग किक्स करने के लिए, सो टेक योर लेग एज हाई एज पॉसिबल. और अगर मैं आपको बोलती हूँ अपनी लेग फॉरवर्ड रखने के लिए, so take your leg as forward as possible. So work out according to your limit. This complete yoga workout is really intense but effective. मैंने classes में भी इसे कराया है, इसके results भी बहुत अच्छे आते हैं. So you have to just follow the program 3 days per week and you can gradually start seeing the results. So with complete enthusiasm and zeal, let's start today's workout, friends.
Slowly inhale and take your arms high towards the sky. Exhale from squat position to forward bend. Inhale, look straight back straight. Exhale, slowly jump behind and from plank position slowly move to upward dog. Exhale, downward dog position. Inhale, take your right leg in front and go to warrior pose. Exhale, plank position, Chaturanga Dandasana, and slowly move to upward. Exhale and slowly inhale and take your left leg front and warrior pose. Slowly exhale, go to plank pose, Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale, upward dog. Exhale, downward dog position. Now slowly start jumping from downward dog to the sides of your mat. Knees bend and start jumping. So here you have to lift your hips high as possible and follow the one leg by another. And once you are done with this jumps, you can start jumping with both of the legs together. So keep your movement as slow as possible. Keep control on your body while jumping. Back completely straight. Slowly go to downward dog. Jump forward and come to squat position. Now slowly jump back and forth. Again, keep control on your body. Lift your hips high while jumping. Do as more jumps as possible. Jump on your toes so that you can control your body weight. Lift your hips and knees completely high while jumping. Slowly go to downward dog. And come to squat position, Malasana. Slowly inhale and stand high and relax. Now we'll move towards second drill. Inhale, your arms completely high towards roof. Exhale, from squat position, move to forward bend. Inhale, look in front, back completely straight. Exhale, go to plank position, Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale, go to upward dog. Exhale, slowly move to downward dog position. Inhale, right leg in front and go to warrior pose. Exhale, come again, plank position. From chaturanga, move to upward dog. Slowly inhale. Exhale slowly, downward dog position. Inhale, left leg in front and go to warrior pose. Exhale, come again to plank position. From chaturanga, move to upward dog position again. Exhale, go to downward dog. Slowly make your instance correct and do the downward dog kicks. Move your right leg completely straight as high as possible. So if you closely look at my downward dog position and closely look at my movements, even in the jumps also, my complete upper body is like a stick. So my spine is like a stick. So it's moving continuously in a straight line. So keep focus on this posture. Move your legs as high as possible. Do 10 repetitions or 12 repetitions both sides. Slowly jump and come forward in squat position. Inhale, go high and stand and relax. Drill third. Inhale slowly, lift your arms completely high towards the sky. Exhale from squat position to forward bend. Inhale, look in front, back completely straight. Exhale, go to plank pose, Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale, come to upward dog position. Exhale, slowly go to downward dog. Inhale, right leg in front and go to warrior pose. Keep your femurs parallel to the floor while you are in warrior pose. Slowly go to Chaturanga. Inhale, move to upward dog. Exhale, slowly move to downward dog. Press your head towards floor. Left leg in front. Go to warrior pose. Slowly inhale. Exhale, come to plank position again. Keep your back straight. From Chaturanga, move to upward dog position. Deeply inhale. Exhale, slowly go to downward dog. Press your head towards floor. Press your heels towards floor. Now slowly move to lizard poses. Left leg and right leg alternate. Keep your leg as forward as possible and outside mat, like in line in both of your palms. Make an arc in your back while you are coming to the lizard pose. Look in front, chest completely out and straight. Give a deep arc, your pelvis completely close to the floor. Closely look at my pelvis. My complete thigh are completely close to the floor. And your leg should be in front as much as possible. Now from downward dog position, slowly move to squat position, Malasana. Relax here, inhale deeply and relax. Drill fourth. Inhale deeply, arms towards the sky. Exhale from squat position to forward bend. Inhale, look in front, spine completely straight. Exhale from plank position, move to Chaturanga and slowly move to upward dog and deeply inhale. Exhale, head towards the floor, hips high and downward dog. Inhale, right leg in front, go to warrior pose. Femur parallel to the floor, shin perpendicular to the floor. From Chaturanga, move to upward dog. Inhale deeply, exhale slowly and come to downward dog. Inhale, left leg in front, go to warrior pose again. Slowly exhale, go to plank position. Bend your elbows, go to chaturanga, and slowly move to upward dog. Deeply inhale. Exhale slowly, head towards the floor. Set your in stance of the feet. Now slowly move from downward dog to upward dog. So again, while upward dog, you have to make an arc in your back. Downward dog, lift your hips high and your heels completely touch the ground. Look in front in upward dog. Exhale, downward dog. Inhale, upward dog position, make arc in your back. Exhale, downward dog position. Inhale, upward dog position. Exhale, downward dog. Exhale, downward dog. Feet completely touch the ground and come back. Stretch your calves, stretch your shoulders, your back completely when you are in downward dog. Stretch your back, make an arc in your back when you are in upward dog. Concentrate on your breath. Exhale while downward dog. Inhale while upward dog. Enjoy this movement. Slowly jump and come to squat position, Malasana. Relax here. Inhale deeply and arms towards the sky and relax. Drill 5. Inhale slowly, arms towards the sky. Exhale from squat position. Straighten your knees and go to forward bend. Inhale, back straight, look in front. Exhale from plank position, move to chaturanga. And slowly inhale, move to upward dog. Exhale, go to downward dog. Head towards the floor. Inhale, right leg in front, femur parallel to the floor, shin perpendicular to the floor. Go to warrior pose. Plank pose, move your elbows and slowly move towards upward dog. Deeply inhale. Exhale, go to downward dog. Left leg in front, femur parallel to the floor, shin perpendicular to the floor. Inhale deeply in warrior pose. Again, go back to plank position. Bend your elbows from chaturanga, move towards upward dog. Exhale, downward dog. Now slowly, keep control on your body, keep control on your pelvis and move from downward dog to the plank pose. So do not take your pelvis completely down to the floor. It's not upward dog, it's downward dog and to plank. From downward dog to plank to a straight line. Keep control on your pelvis. Make your core completely tight and engaged. Now slowly from downward dog, come in front, make a slow jump and come to Malasana. Inhale, arms straight and relax. Inhale, straighten your arms towards the sky. Exhale from squat position, straighten your knees and go to forward bend. Inhale, look in front, spine completely straight. Exhale, jump behind, go to plank pose and from chaturanga, upward dog. Slowly exhale, move to downward dog position. Inhale, right leg in front, warrior pose. Exhale, move to plank pose again. Inhale from chaturanga dhanasana, move to upward dog. Exhale slowly, downward dog. Inhale, left leg in front. Go to warrior pose, femur parallel to floor, shin perpendicular to the floor. Balance your body. Again, go to plank position. Bend your elbows from chaturanga, move to upward dog. Deeply inhale. Exhale, move to downward dog. Now slowly, take your leg high and bend your knee and slowly do the knee taps while taking your knee completely forward. So you have to end it in the same way like you are starting it. Another leg, do the knee taps. Bend your knee, touch the floor and come back. So you have to move your hips completely. Your arms, your palms and your feet should be stable at the same position. Now slowly from downward dog position, jump slowly and come in front in Malasana. Inhale, arms straight towards the sky. Drill 7. Deeply inhale, straighten your arms towards the sky. Exhale from squat position, straighten your knees, move to forward bend. Inhale, look in front, spine straight. Exhale, come to plank pose. From Chaturanga, move to upward dog, deeply inhale. Exhale, go to downward dog position. Inhale, right leg in front, warrior pose. Exhale, go to plank position. Bend your elbows from Chaturanga, move to upward dog, deeply inhale. Exhale, downward dog position. Left leg in front, warrior pose. Slowly come back, go to plank pose. From Chaturanga, move to upward dog, deeply inhale. Exhale, downward dog position. Now slowly twist your spine while moving your right leg towards left and left leg towards right over your body. Like shown in the video, spine your twist completely and feel the stretch in your back. Keep control on your body while you are moving towards opposite side. From downward dog, slowly jump and come in front. Go to Malasana. Now sit down and go to Dandasana. Straighten your knees. Keep your back completely straight and try to touch your head to your knee. Give a few pulses. Now separate your legs slowly and slowly go to shavasana. Relax your body completely. Feel the changes in your body before and after the class. Concentrate on your breath. Take a deep inhale and slowly exhale and slowly relax.
Hey, hope you guys like the video. If you guys like the video, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel Pinaki Yoga, share this video to your friends and family. आप अपने व्यूज़, अपनी क्वेरीज मुझे मेल भी कर सकते हैं या फिर नीचे आप कमेंट सेक्शन में भी अपने व्यूज़ डाल सकते हैं. कैसी लगी आपको वीडियो प्लीज़ बताइए. एंड yes, I'll meet you soon in the next one. Till then, take care, stay fit, stay healthy. Namaste.